Number 1. Trading. Buy low and sell high on cryptocurrency exchanges. Number 2. Mining. Use computer power to validate transactions and earn newly minted coins. Number 3. Staking. Hold a certain amount of a cryptocurrency in a wallet and earn interest. Number 4. Lending. Lend out your cryptocurrency and earn interest. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. Promote cryptocurrency products and earn commissions. Number 6. Accepting payments. Allow customers to pay for goods and services with cryptocurrency. Number 7. Creating and selling NFTs. Create digital artwork, videos, and other content and sell it as non-fungible tokens. Number 8. Building and investing in blockchain projects. Use your technical skills to build decentralized apps and platforms, or invest in promising blockchain startups. Number 9. Airdrops. Participate in promotional events where cryptocurrency is distributed for free to holders of a specific coin or token. Number 10. Staking pools. Join a pool with other users to combine resources and earn higher returns on staking. Number 11. Running a masternode. Set up and run a masternode for certain cryptocurrencies to earn a passive income. Number 12. Cryptocurrency bounty programs. Participate in online campaigns and tasks, such as promoting a new coin or identifying bugs in a blockchain, in exchange for a reward in cryptocurrency.